Mark Polk with RV Education 101.
Welcome back to the RV Interior Upgrade Project. So far, we've removed all the old furniture and the old flooring. Today, our plan is to remove the old curtains, mismatched blinds, and the pleated shades in preparation for installing the new MCD American Duo Day-Night Roller Shades.
With this installation, we are keeping the original valances but removing the rest of the window treatments. The first thing we need to do is remove the old curtains and rods. There is not much space between the wall and the valance, but if you reach up and raise the curtain rod at both ends, the rod will come off. Next, we remove the old shades from the 5 windows we are installing the new MCD shades on. The shades are secured using clips, so all I need to do is put a screwdriver behind the shade where the clips are located, and it pops right off of the clip. With the shades removed, now you can remove the screws from the shade tensioners and remove any remaining hardware. The MCD roller shades are custom made for your RV. After following the measuring instructions, your custom made MCD shades arrive in no time. We selected the American Duo Day-Night Roller Shades. The MCD Day Shades offer excellent outward visibility and daytime privacy, and all nighttime shades are comprised of 100% privacy and blackout shade materials. The shades are available in a variety of styles and colors to complement the interior design. Let's start installing some MCD roller shades right now. MCD roller shade installation. MCD Innovations, a division of Airxcel, is the world's largest manufacturer of RV window shades. MCD offers a good selection of day solar screen material and night vinyl or decorator fabric. To complement our new flooring and furniture, we selected the Coffee Solar Screen Day Shade and the Country Stone Night Shade. Start the installation by mounting the clips to the top of the valance. For best results, the shade should be located as close to the glass as possible, typically 3/8 of an inch away from the window frame. But do not mount it so close that the shade can get caught on anything when it's lowered. The outermost clips should be mounted within 2 inches from the end of the shade assembly. Mounting clip tabs should be located towards the inside of the coach. Installation screws are not provided due to the variations in requirements. MCD recommends using number 8 panhead sheet metal screws. The most common length is 1 inch, but may vary due to the needs of your particular installation. Center the shade assembly, check for proper orientation, and attach it to the mounting clips. The shade assembly is mounted to the clips by placing the outside edge of the assembly rail into the clips and rotating the shade towards the clip tabs to firmly and solidly snap the mounting rail into place. In most American Duo installations, the clear view solar screen should be located closest to the glass. The night material should be closest to the inside of the coach. Installation tips for proper operation of the shades. The shade must be level. Solid spacers of the appropriate thickness placed under the mounting clips may be necessary. The shade may not bind to anything throughout its entire range of travel. Proper operation requires clearance around all sides of the shade in the upper position. The shade assembly should be evenly spaced left to right and/or mounted so that it covers as much of the glass as possible when lowered. Repeat the same process on the remaining windows.
The MCD American Duo Roller Shades were the perfect addition to our RV Interior Upgrade Project. Now heat and UV rays from the sun is reduced. We have daytime privacy and nighttime privacy, but we can still see out. And look how easy they operate. For more information on the American Duo Roller Shades, visit mcdinnovations.com. With 1/4 of our RV interior makeover completed, join us next time when we install whitewash wood planks on 2 accent walls in the RV. And remember, when you want to learn more about using and maintaining your RV, visit rveducation101.com.